Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's start by going to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot we need to press the power button and volume down button together. Let's press them. You will see this animation on the screen and you will hear the sound, and also you will get the notification right here that the screenshot was captured. You can open the notification and here you have options like share, edit or delete. Of course you can open the screenshot also by tapping on the notification and selecting the app you want to open the screenshot with. And here we have our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.